I like you a lot.
They're calling for storms today, and took my chance, and we're here, and we're gonna get the job done. But I might take refuge in a bus here in a little bit. But in the meantime, we're gonna drive this pin out of this axle if I can. Of course, it's in the worst spot. I can't get the jack any further. There we go. I can't get it any further, so I'm gonna have to get the CD off here. I don't need it, but it'd be nice. But let's just get the CD off from here. Let me get my pry bar. We get the CD off for the storm. That's great. That means I got everything I really need. Oh, it's coming off. Yeah, I thought I saw it move. I hope I'm not lying to myself. It's not the best thing to use this for, but we're here, baby. So I keep forgetting to bring penetrating fluid. I always forget. I think I like the typical. Come on. And the other nice thing about working out here, there's so much vegetation, you don't know what is poison. Everything is poison out here at this point. Okay, so that storm, my battery's dead. A minute ago it's at 100%. Come on, battery. All right. So the CD's moving. How far are we now? Oh, we're moving. We're moving. Let's see what the battery lasts. I broke the collar. That's all right. Not my biggest concern. I might have used the other pry bar. Oh man, I see it now. Come on, baby. There you go. Come on. Is that a kitty? All right, come on, baby. Almost. Almost. Oh, wow, it's so close. Come on. Come on. We got time for this. We got a storm rolling on us. And then I'm gonna take a break. Hopefully the storm just passes by. And that's it. Come on, baby. God, it's so close. So close. Damn mustache bar is right in my way. Of course, it's like right under the wheel. There we go. Mustache bar. Are you off yet? What a jerk face. Like, come on. We're gonna hit it right on the edge here. Because I said so. Sweating pretty good. There we go. Are you freaking off yet, bud? Wow. This thing don't want to come off now. It's right on the end too. It's being a little pain in the ass. And that one's a spin, which is great, but I really would like it to not. Holy cow, it's so close. It's like hanging on by a hair. I know it is. Yeah, it's, golly, it's so close. So close. We will get it off. I've come this far. Yeah, I can see it like, it's like just catching the edge. There we go. Oh, get off. Oh, it's hitting the tire, that's why. All right. It's off. Okay, so now I gotta get the pin out on the differential end and hope it comes out just as nice. Here we go. And I got rid of the stupid shield. Just had a wicked light. Now you can kind of hear the thunder now. That's what we're dealing with now. Good old southern storm. There we go. Bastard. Pin. There you go. Okay. Now a little hammer. Start giving this thing the business. There we go. So the technique I used last time was kind of get it. Oh, that's great. The freaking. This may be tough. Can I pull it over here a little more? I can. Wow, this is gonna suck. There's like no room. If I put it further in, will that help at all? See if further in might help. Oh, that's why I need glasses. I just had something hit me in the eye. I have no idea where it is. Oh, fudge. All right. Oh, wow, that's the second time. Damn. Why? This sucks. Okay. How am I gonna do this? Yeah, it's in a really crappy spot. Let me turn the camera off. We'll figure it out here in a second. I've gotten it to move a little bit. I should have bought my glasses. I feel like a dummy. Let me check real quick. I might have them because I'm getting a lot of crap on my face. Yeah, I forgot them. Well, I can't say no. I'm already here. I'm already dirty. I'm covered in mud and dirt and sweat. I've gotten to move a little bit, so we're gonna keep going. I'm doing my safety squints. My friend Pete told me about that one. Oh, that's good. Come on, baby. Yeah, it's moving a little bit. So that's good. I wish the dang seat differential wasn't moving so much. But here we are. There we go. Oh, there you go. Sweet. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Woo! Let's go. Oh, nice. All right, that was a critical piece of the puzzle. I'm gonna turn the camera off and figure out what's next. I gotta get the wheels. There's a few on the one next to me that are fresh as, if anyone knows the song by Lil Bow Wow, fresh as a Miz. It's pretty fresh. Let's go take a looky. A lookaroo. Out we come. Yeah, this is all the vegetation I'm dealing with. There's everything at this point is poison ivy. So I want to get that bumper. This tailgate is actually pretty cool. If I can get this, well, I have to paint it. Man, that chrome bumper, or the chrome decal, that bumper is sweet. The wheels though, those are in good shape. There's 3 of them. I think the other one is underneath. It's holding up the car. But yeah, real good wheels. I'm assuming it's the same distance between the lug holes. But here we are. We're making progress today. Let's go.